I'm Ken Kamada. Today, I'd like to introduce the KUBOTA 9942 centrifuge for flat banks. The centrifugation area of flat bank is like a very busy factory, with new work coming in constantly. To process dozens or even hundreds of blood bags each day, you have to load and unload blood bags from the inner cup over and over, which I know is quite a delicate task. Moreover, as the work must continue at the rapid pace, the final output has to be a supply of high-quality blood products for patients. At KUBOTA, we have listened carefully to our customers at blood banks, incorporating their ideas into the centrifuges we design and develop. That's because we believe listening to the people doing the actual work is the best route to meeting customer needs. The result is a centrifuge equipped with an advanced anti-vibration mechanism, as well as a carefully selected shape and material for the inner cup for blood bags, the 9942. The 9942 was developed with customer needs in mind, based on the following concepts. Better separation results after centrifugation, ease of use and high efficiency, dependability for daily operation, low running noise for a more comfortable working environment. To give you a better idea of how customer requests were incorporated into design, first, let me explain the inner cup of the 9942. We heard a lot of opinions from customers about inner cup, such as these. After many cycles, the cup breaks. The inner cup changes shape with the centrifugal force, making blood bag harder to load and unload. The cup broke when I dropped it. I have to carry the cup around with the bag inside, so I want it to be as light as possible. A translucent design that lets us see the condition of the bag after centrifugation would be ideal. Incorporating these ideas through prototypes and extensive testing, we at KUBOTA finally succeeded in designing and developing inner cup that answers all of your requests. The inner cup's integrated structure with its central separator allows stress-free loading and unloading of bags and also provides better durability. And even if the cup is dropped, it will not break, so you can use it with confidence. It's also translucent, so you can check the state of the bag inside, and the wide bottom ensures stability. If an inner cup has a narrow bottom, it tends to tip over if only one bag is inside, requiring technicians to use cages or other measures. But the wide bottom inner cup of the 9942 remains upright, even if only one bag is inside, making it work at ease. For these reasons, the inner cup of the 9942 has earned an excellent reputation at blood banks around the world. Now, for the anti-vibration mechanism, one of the real advantages of the 9942. First, let me tell you a little about the basic design of the centrifuge and some problems that can occur. In the daily operations of the blood bank, it's not rare for centrifugation to be performed with an imbalance of dozens of grams or more. If a large centrifuge continues running in an imbalanced state, its motor and the bearings in its drive unit will wear down, which could lead to breakdown. With its exclusive anti-vibration mechanism, the 9942 absorbs the burden created by this imbalance and minimizes the load on the motor and drive unit. Another issue is the vibration that occurs during deceleration. When the centrifuge decelerates and vibration occurs, the contents of the blood bag tend to be suspended, which has a huge impact on separation results. But the anti-vibration mechanism of the 9942 absorbs vibration during deceleration, resulting in much cleaner separation after centrifugation. Another benefit of the anti-vibration mechanism is a reduction in noise during centrifugation. The causes of noise during centrifugation can be broadly divided into two sources: vibration of the drive unit and running noise of the refrigeration unit. The anti-vibration mechanism of the 9942 makes it possible to minimize vibration of the drive unit. As for the other noise-generating factor, the running noise of the refrigeration unit, KUBOTA has adopted the windshield for the rotor, controlling the output of the refrigeration unit to reduce noise. The windshield plays a role in adjusting the flow of air within the centrifuge chamber as the rotor rotates. This not only reduces heat within the chamber, but also suppresses the wind noise when the rotor is spinning, thereby offering quieter operation. Other features of the 9942 include an audible alert and flashing signal light that let you know when centrifugation is finished. The flashing light is especially useful for blood banks with multiple centrifuges, so you know which one has finished. And the optional foot switch lets you release the lid lock, even if your hands are full. The KUBOTA 9942 centrifuge. We developed it with these concepts in mind: better separation results after centrifugation, ease of use and high efficiency, dependability for daily operation, low running noise for a more comfortable working environment. And all of these have been realized in response to your requests. KUBOTA will continue to develop new products from the customer's perspective and manufacture them with premium quality in accordance with global standards. The KUBOTA 9942 centrifuge. We hope you'll give it a try.